Been asked to talk about parcel sizes, and I'm not talking about these parcels, although Santa will be seeing a lot of these this year, but I'm talking about what is a typical e-fulfillment parcel. Now, the most important thing is to make sure, if at all possible, that your consignment is boxed nicely. Now, the flat edges are very important. Now, let me give you an example as to why. Now, we had people that used to send posters in roller tubes, but since the whole supply chain has become automated, a lot of this stuff goes on conveyor belt. So you can imagine if it's got a round edge, then it's going to roll off. So if you can have a nice flat side to your packages, then that's really good. Now, bear in mind that although quite a lot of it is automated, at the end of your last mile delivery, there's a human being that's sticking it on a doorstep. So you want to try and make sure that your consignments are under 25 kilos, if at all possible. And these are quite typical sizes of boxes. So this is about 47 centimeters long by 42 centimeters wide and about 24-25 centimeters deep. And then you've got these smaller ones here. That's a cube of 26 centimeters square. And then you've got this one here, which is 40 centimetres long by 34 centimetres wide and only 16 centimetres deep. So some of these are really good for packaging up some of our alcohol clients' bottles, and we just make sure that we've got plenty of room for the packaging inside. So these are three of our typical kind of sizes, and even if you've got relatively weighty goods in here, then they're not going to be too difficult for people to pick up. So think square edges, think something that's going to have enough room for plenty of packaging to keep your goods nice and safe. And think of stuff that even if it's full of very heavy items such as books, the person delivering it on the other end can still deliver it safely.